We were picking up supplies at the Fry's grocery outlet in Tucson, and we noticed these interesting formations in the sky. It looks like a tornado forming, but it wasn't. And this is the look back from Cactus Forest into Tucson at midnight. Okay, so this is our view here this morning from the Cactus Forest, kind of halfway between Tucson and Phoenix. So it is a very nice, interesting camp area that warrants coming back here again someday. There's a barrel cactus right in front of us. This one, a lot of them are blooming right now. This one here doesn't seem to have any blooms going on. There's a campfire spot there. Another campfire spot here. But look at the denseness of growth around us. I mean, this is just fabulous. So last night, actually this morning, my new Thetford toilet broke. The one I put in last year here at Quartzsite. So I have to try and find another one. Doesn't look like Camping World is going to have one. But we will continue trying. So this is what the road looks like coming in here. It might have had more water washing down it earlier. So it looks like a popular camp area. Somebody backing into their travel trailer, getting ready to move. And there again is that mountain way down there. And yeah, we're gonna have to come back to this spot when we have fewer things going wrong. But look at the height of these things. These are huge. I mean, I turn this way and then come back down, and there's the truck camper. So they're like twice the height of the truck camper. Okay, so I'm gonna pack in and we're gonna get hopping and try to get this toilet thing resolved. And then we're gonna go to Organ Stop Pizza to hear one of the biggest Wurlitzer organs in the world played. All right. What? This is the auditorium for Organ Stop Pizza, where they have the giant Wurlitzer organ. It's a lot of fun to go in there, listen to the music, and talk with your friends, have fun, and eat pizza. I finally made it to Lectric E-Bikes. Unfortunately, they're closed. It's like 8 o'clock or something. And to make matters even worse, it's Saturday night, and they do not open again until Tuesday. So I'm screwed. I was about to drop a bunch of money on electric bikes, and so now we're heading off to Yuma. See if there's any hours scheduled. So annoying. What do we got? Showroom Tuesday to Friday 11 to 5, Saturday, Sunday, Monday closed. Well, isn't that just special? Darn it. And that's as good as I can see inside there. The
electric bike screen on. Okay. As the Klingon commander, I think his name James Kalikos, said to Captain Kirk, "It would have been glorious." Dang. Only one car, probably a security guy. Okay, let's get on out of here. We're going to head to Yuma, do some camping. Just check here real quick and make sure the camper's doing well. I always like to give it a once over and make sure things are good. There's my ditch lights are working. So we're set. Okay, let us go. There's the lovely Kelly. And so, you know, the really annoying thing is it has been such a tough day. We ran out of propane early this morning. Fortunately, it wasn't freezing. The toilet bolts broke on the flange that hold the toilet down to the tank, so we need to fix that. And what else happened today? Something else happened. My ditch lights weren't working last night, and mysteriously today they're working again.
The laundromat's sketchy.
We go to a laundromat in Tucson, and we turn in, and there are police with a wreck in the Walmart parking lot there. And as we are driving in the driveway, there is a tweaker slowly stepping his way across the driveway. And then we get in there, and there are several beat-up vans and Class A motorhomes, and then another van right in front of the laundromat with laundry and a sleeping bag hanging over the right side mirror. And then the parking lot itself was, all the asphalt was broken up, and this is a Walmart parking lot. I mean, Walmart's not supposed to be in that bad a shape. So anyway, we just left Organ Stop Pizza in Mesa and south of Phoenix, and we're looking to come up here, and on our way there, all of a sudden we're passing a Circle K, and there's a person on foot with cops running after him, and within seconds there's like 5 other cop cars running around down there. And so they're all after this guy, and I tell Kelly to lock her door real quick and make sure that he couldn't bust in. We're at the stoplight watching this whole thing. And then we get out of there, and we're driving down the road, and then we get passed by a fire truck, and apparently where we turned to come up north here, there was a wreck down there that required a fire truck's assistance, and so it has been a wild and crazy night.
I haven't been able to do laundry yet because a couple places we picked just seemed a little too sketchy.
Yes, and we still haven't done laundry because the places were just a little bit questionable.
And Jeff wanted to leave me there while I did laundry while he went to go get propane.
Well, yeah, but that was only if it was close. But so anyway, we got the propane after I go to get the propane, and the propane automatic dispenser is messed up, and so it took about 10 minutes of screwing around with that, and then they finally came out at Home Depot and got me a couple of bottles from the cage. Fortunately, there was a cage with propane, and one of the 2 bottles weighed noticeably less than the other, so it had been bleeding off gas, and I told the attendant that, and so she got me another bottle, and the second bottle then weighed about the same as the first. It didn't have a noticeable difference. So, okay, now we're just trying to find a place to camp here tonight, and then We still got to do laundry. We never did get that done. And what else? We got to get down to Yuma to hook up with good old Dalton, the West Coast roller. And yes, one of the great early truck campers on YouTube. So the West Coast roller, lots of good old original videos. Look back years on his channel for some good truck camping. Okay, that's enough whining and blah 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 for now.
Tomorrow's another day.
Tomorrow's another day. And there is what? No Pop. Oh, there she is. Hi, sweetheart. Pop. Okay, the disappearing kitty. Hey, Donnie, look up there in the sky. What is that thing?
Oh, man, what is that?
Whoa, dude.
It's floating over your rig.
Yeah. I don't know, man. I'm a little bit on the scared side now. Let's run. As we were leaving the cactus forest, we looked across at that mountain, which is part of Picacho State Park. And there is the halo around the moon. And that is Saddle Mountain, where we stayed after Lectric Bike. And this is on the way to Yuma. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please do like, comment, share, and subscribe. We would appreciate your support. Thank you.